This LifeVac Blue Travel Kit is a choking rescue device that is portable for you to be able to take with you anytime that you're on vacation or perhaps even just carry it in your home. It does come with several different things, and I want to compare it to the yellow version of the LifeVac that they offer. Now, as I'm taking this out, you will see that it does come with a suction device, an adult mask, a child mask, the travel case, as well as your easy instruction guide. Now, your masks are individually wrapped, and that's because they are for one-time use only. Once you've used them, you are to dispose of them and then order new ones from the company. But they're very easy to attach. But let's look at it compared to the yellow one. Okay, so this too is also going to be the LifeVac, and you will see that it carries the exact same contents. It has the small child mask, it has the adult mask. They are individually wrapped. It also comes with your suction device, the travel case, and then your easy instruction guide. Now, these are identical in nature except for the yellow bag versus the blue bag, but you decide which one is best for you and your family, and you guys have a great day.